I hope you all are doing good and having a great fun at home. I know that your summer vacations are going on, but मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, छुट्टियों के अंदर थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई भी हमारी ज़रूरी है. So now here I am your teacher Ambreen and I am going to teach you about the subject English. And today we have a topic vowels and consonants. Yes, my dear students, do you know that we have 26 letters in English? Yeah, we have total 26 alphabets in English. And from them, we have made two groups. हम लोगों ने दो ग्रुप्स बना लिए हैं उन 26 letters के. Number one group is called as the vowels and the other group is called as the consonants. So, do you know that how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. But for more details, my dear students, let's move on to our books. उन books के ऊपर हम लोग reading भी करेंगे और अच्छे से समझेंगे भी. So now you all have to take out your English reading books so that we can learn about the vowels and the consonants. So now my dear students, let's read about the vowels and the consonants. First we have to read the concept check that what they are saying. वो कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं? So they are already saying that English alphabets have 26 letters. Some letters are very special and we call them vowels and the other letters are called as consonants. So I have already tell you about this. मैंने आपको already English alphabets के बारे में बता दिया है. Now I am going to tell you about the letters which are included in the group vowels and the letters which are included in consonant group. First, we are going to read about the vowels. Vowels are the voice of letters and the heart of words. These are the 5 in number. Let's read them aloud. A, E, I, O, U. Yes, my dear students, vowels हमारे पास 5 होते हैं. 5 vowels और ये बहुत ज़्यादा important होते हैं. Why? Because these are the voice of the letters and the heart of the words. कोई भी ऐसा word हमारे पास ऐसा नहीं है जिसके अंदर vowel ना आता हो. So these 5 letters are very important. A, E, I, O, U. Read with me again. A, E, I, O, U. Let's read it with me again. A, E, I, O, and U. Now, we have the consonants. We just have 5 vowels in numbers. But now, we have to talk about the consonants. All the letters जो कि vowels नहीं होते, वो सारे हमारे पास group consonant के अंदर आते हैं. And I have already told you about the vowels कि इनके बगैर, vowels के बगैर हम कोई भी word build नहीं कर सकते. और सारे जितने भी letters होते हैं ना, vowels के, वो हम उसमें अपने mouth का कोई भी part touch नहीं करते. सारे हमारे पास जो होते हैं वो voices होती हैं just. हमें कोई भी part को mouth के touch नहीं करना पड़ता. But consonant के अंदर हम लोगों को touch करना पड़ता है. And also consonants जो होते हैं वो friendship करते हैं vowels के साथ ताकि वो एक यूनिक साउंड जनरेट कर सके, एक प्यारी सी आवाज बना सके. So now let's read the statement with me. Consonants stay quiet until vowels join them and are the body of the words. These are 21 in numbers. Let's read them aloud. B, B, C, K. D, D. F, G, G. H, J, J. K, K. L, L. M, N, P, P. Q, Q. R, S, T, T. V, W, W. X, Y, Z, सो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हम लोगों ने वाउल्स एंड कॉन्सोनेंट्स की रीडिंग तो कर ली है. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू एन एक्टिविटी फॉर दिस concept. Before moving on to the activity, I just want to revise the concept of it once again. The vowels are 5 in numbers: A, E, I, O, U. And these are the hearts of the word. The other group of alphabet is called the consonants, and these are 21 in numbers: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And these are the letters, the alphabets which joins with the vowels to make a one unique sound. So now my dear students, it's time to do an activity. Now we have to do the activity for the concept of vowels and consonants. Let's read the statement. Circle the vowels in each word and write that vowel in the given space. Okay, so my dear students, we have to circle the vowel in each word, and after circling the vowel, we just have to write that vowel in the space given below. Let's read the word with me. Cat. Okay, so let's figure it out. Where is the vowel? Let's recall the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Can you all find out that which vowel came in this word? कौन सा vowel आ रहा है इसके अंदर? Yes, A. We have to circle the letter A and we have to write it down below as well. Don't forget the formation of the letter A. After this, we have another word. Let's read the word with me. P-O-T. Pot. Can you all figure out the vowel, that which vowel came in this word? It's O. Very simple. Yeah, we have to circle it and then we have to write it down below like this. I think so the O doesn't look good, so we have to raise it and write it once again. Wow, it looks so good now. Now let's move on to the next word. We have to read the word first. Jet. Can you all figure out that where is the vowel? कहाँ पे है vowel? This. E. Wow, we have to circle this and write it down below. Don't forget the formation for these letters. After this, we have the next word which says sun. Can you all tell me that where is the vowel? Does this letter S is the vowel? No, this is not a vowel. Is this N letter is the vowel? No, this is also not a vowel. So, we have the letter U. Yes, my dear students, this is a vowel. We have to circle the letter U and write it down below. Nice. Next, we have to read this word. Lid. Let's figure it out that where is the vowel. Here is the vowel. I circle it and write it down. We have done this activity for the vowels. But now we have another activity which is for the consonants. Let's read the statement with me. Look at the given pictures and write the relevant consonant to complete the word. First, we have to look at this picture. ये पिक्चर किसकी है? हमें इसके बारे में सोचना है. And then we have to write the relevant consonant. हमने उसकी sound करनी है and then उसको write करना है. So ये किसकी picture है? It's a bat. 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 Can you all hear the sound? Bat. Which consonant came here? It's B. Wow. Letter B comes at the first. Bat. हमने प्यारे बच्चों बिल्कुल जो फर्स्ट इनिशियल साउंड है उसको हमने जज करना होता है कि वो किस हमारे पास अल्फाबेट की आ रही है. वो कौन सा जो फोनिक साउंड है वो हमारे पास किस अल्फाबेट का है. Let's move on. This is a flag, a Pakistan's flag. Wow. Flag. Flag. क्या आपको कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड पता चली कि किसकी है? It's F. Flag. Flag. Wow. It looks so good. Next, we have the picture of a jug. 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 क्या आपको कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड पता चली फर्स्ट वाली कौन सी है? जग. ज साउंड. सो ज लेटर हमारे पास J का होता है. जो ज फोनिक्स है वो लेटर J की है. नाइस. नेक्स्ट, ये किसकी पिक्चर है? दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ लैम्प. Lamp. L. Yes, my dear students, the consonant L will be written over here. Next, we have a sun. Sun. कौन से कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड जो है हमारे पास S का होता है? ये S हमारे पास कौन सा लेटर है? It's this letter. S sun. Now, this is the last picture. And this is the picture of a zero. Zero. क्या आपको साउंड पता चली है कि कौन सी है? Zero. Z consonant. Wow. So, ये तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों ने बहुत नाइसली अटेम्प्ट कर लिया है. ये तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग वर्क था. This work was very amazing. So now, my dear students, it's your turn to practice these kind of activities at your home. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.